BioDynamix Joint Genesis, Natural Joint Support. Discover BioDynamix Joint Genesis, an innovative natural supplement designed to support joint health. This formula combines clinically studied ingredients to promote cartilage regeneration, reduce inflammation, and improve joint mobility, enabling a pain-free, active lifestyle. BioDynamix Joint Genesis is not just a supplement, it's a pathway to healthier joints. Utilizing nature's power, this formula helps alleviate joint discomfort and enhances flexibility, allowing you the freedom to move effortlessly and comfortably. Experience the benefits of BioDynamix Joint Genesis, your natural ally for joint support. This comprehensive formula focuses on healing, offering joint comfort and enhanced mobility while fostering an active lifestyle without limitations. The secret to BioDynamix Joint Genesis lies in its synergistic blend of natural compounds like glucosamine and chondroitin. These ingredients work harmoniously to protect cartilage, reduce inflammation, and support joint lubrication for improved movement. BioDynamix Joint Genesis prioritizes quality, employing high-standard manufacturing practices. Every product is rigorously tested for purity, potency, and safety, ensuring customers receive a reliable and effective joint health solution. Testimonials from users highlight the significant improvements in joint comfort and mobility achieved with BioDynamix Joint Genesis. Many report a newfound ability to enjoy activities without the aches that once hindered their movement. By choosing BioDynamix Joint Genesis, you embrace a natural method to alleviate joint pain and enhance mobility. Whether you're an athlete or simply wish to maintain joint health, BioDynamix Joint Genesis is designed for you. It's a commitment to quality and natural wellness, helping you pursue an active and vibrant lifestyle.